Guys, I'm back with the PHP tutorials, doing login and register, and in this one I'm just going to be showing you a login section. So if we come up to TextMate and make a new file, we can then file save as, and this will be called login underscore process .php. And then put your basic PHP tags in. Okay, so then all we have to do is include our connect file, con.php, and hit save. And I'm just going to open recent con.php. I'm going to change this to root, as you remember from the last tutorial. And close that, and real quickly up in the register process I'm going to delete this and include connect file con.php. Save that and back to the login at underscore process.php. We're just going to get the user's input, which was username, and this is equal to $_ post, and then we can just say that's equal to username, and then the password is equal to $_ post, post, and semicolon and password. Okay, so now we're just going to open up an if statement. Well, first, we just going to have to check if they actually entered everything. So if username does not equal nothing, and using two ampersand signs, we can say and password does not equal nothing, then we can continue. Else echo please enter all the required information and hit save. Okay, and then after this we can just put in a query using a query variable, and then a MySQL underscore query. And then all we have to do, it's quite simple, is we can just select all from users, our table users, where username equals $username and password equals $password. And don't forget, we have to put our MD5 around this, as we're storing MD5 values in our database. Otherwise we'll just be checking a normal password against an MD5 one. Okay, so now we've done that, so we can just get our rows variable and hit MySQL underscore none underscore rows, and inside that we're just going to write query, because we're checking query, and then we can just say if rows. Okay, so if our rows does not equal 0, which means there is a value there, we can now go ahead and set our sessions using the $_ session, and the value of this one is going to be logged in, and that's going to be equal to we can do logged in underscore ID, and that can be equal to the ID of the user, which we can get by using a while loop and saying a while row is equal to MySQL underscore fetch underscore associative array of our query. We can then open up our curly braces and then write, ID is equal to row and then ID. And we can hit save and come down to the session logged in ID, and then that will work. Okay, so then we can first we need to remember to put our session start at the top of this page. So any page that we use sessions, need to put a session start and save. And then we can just say if rows does not equal 0, okay, and then we can echo you have been logged in, click here to visit the members only page. So then we can just put a href, and then that's going to be equal to members.php, and then we can just say members only page, and then we can just save that out and see if it works. Come back to the localhost, and we can just go to our login page and try and enter admin and hello. You have been logged in, click here to visit the members only page. So, okay, we've got our login working, and in the next tutorial we're going to be coding the script that will only allow logged in members to visit the members only page. So I'll see you in the next video.